Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for recipe notifications. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to yet another episode of Khana Peena Aur Cinema. Queen is a classic example of how food is essential in befriending people in unknown countries. Kangana Ranaut's character Rani does it with equal and more flair by serving the quintessential Indian street food, Golgappas. So let's see how we can make that absolutely simply, quickly and easily. Golgappas are known by various names in India. They're called Pani ke patase, they're called puchkas, they're called Pani Puri and many other names. But the ingredients differ in all the states. Today what I'm making is something that is enjoyed in my house. What I'm doing is I'm simplifying the whole recipe and I'm not making multiple things. Usually when there's a Golgappa plan, there are multiple things that are made. There's a Meetha Pani, there's a Tikha Pani and multiple other ingredients. So let's begin with the Pani first. For that I've taken fresh coriander leaves. The next thing that goes in are of course something spicy and I'm using fresh green chillies. Well, you can increase, decrease the quantity as per your choice. The next thing that goes into this are fresh dates which are de-seeded. Well, you could also add in a little bit of jaggery if you please. To this, I'm adding in hing or asafoetida. Along with this, roasted cumin seeds. I've powdered them because I had that with me. But otherwise, you could add in roasted cumin seeds. And to this, I'm adding in chaat masala. Well, chaat masala is a combination of multiple spices and salts. That makes it easier, chutpata, nice and tangy. Let's run this into a coarse mix. Let's give this a quick check. Well, that's how it looks now. Well, usually the pani is deep green in color, but this one is going to have a little bit of tinge of brown. But do not worry, it's going to be fabulous and tasty. To make it nice chatpata, I'm going to add in lemon juice. Well, you could also choose to add in tamarind at this stage. Tamarind, well, is essentially part of a Golgappa ka pani, but you can make your own choices. At this stage, I'm also going to add in some salt, and this is regular table salt. Well, of course, we can add in more later, but for now, let's grind this further. Let's add in a little bit of water to hasten the process. When this runs into a nice and smooth paste, I'll transfer this into a glass bowl. Try to scrape in as much as possible. This mixture now needs to chill completely and nicely. And to make it instantly, of course, I'm using in some cubes of ice. Well, the whole fun of having Golgappa is actually in the pani. So let's add in some water. Let's give this a stir. And this is the time when we actually need to check for salt. Well, I think we can lighten it a little and also season it well. Well, at this stage, you could also choose to add in black salt or kala namak. Let's give this one final stir. The next step is getting the Golgappa ki puri right. Well, this could be made with semolina, with whole wheat. With different states, this keeps changing. Well, if you could make this in the house, nothing like it, but this is also extremely easily available across stores. How to eat this is the next step. You need to puncture it like so. And you could fill this with moong beans, chana, you could fill this with potatoes, white peas, that's your choice. The next thing that goes in is meathi chutney and then goes in the pani. But what we've done is, we've created a whole set here which does the job of everything. So you fill this up and well, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.